In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a YouTube Studio account. Before we start, remember that deleting your channel is permanent. It removes your videos, playlists, comments, and other channel data, so only continue if you're absolutely sure. You might want to back up any important videos or information first. Begin by opening YouTube Studio in your browser and making sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down that menu until you see the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a small pop-up window in the middle of your screen. Inside the Settings pop-up, you'll see another menu along the left side of the window. From that list, click on Channel. When you do that, several tabs will appear across the top of the pop-up. Click on the tab that says Advanced Settings. With the Advanced Settings tab open, scroll down to the very bottom of this section. Here, you should see a link that says Remove YouTube Content. Go ahead and click that link. This will open a new page in a separate tab or window. At this point, YouTube may ask you to confirm your identity by entering the password for the Google account you're using. Type in your password and continue. This is an important security step to make sure it's really you requesting to delete the channel. On the new page, you'll see two collapsible sections, sometimes called accordions. One will say, I want to hide my channel, and the other will say, I want to permanently delete my channel. Since we're fully deleting the channel, click on the second option to expand it. After expanding it, you'll see two checkboxes. The first checkbox explains that the following items will be permanently deleted, and you'll see a list of things like your videos, playlists, and other channel activity that will be removed. The second checkbox explains that any paid subscriptions you own, such as premium services or channel memberships, will be cancelled, though you'll usually keep access until the end of your current billing cycle. Carefully read both statements, and if you agree, tick both checkboxes. Then look for the button at the bottom right that says Delete My Content and click it. A final confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to type in your email address to confirm this action. Enter your email address exactly as shown, then click Delete My Content one more time. And that's it. Your YouTube channel linked to this Studio account is now scheduled for permanent deletion.